In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Adobe Acrobat Reader on Windows. Whether you're often dealing with PDF documents for personal, educational, or professional use, Adobe Acrobat Reader is one of the most reliable tools. Let's dive in and walk through the simple steps to get you started. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser on your Windows computer. Once you're there, head over to your search bar and type in Adobe Acrobat Reader. You'll notice several results pop up, but go ahead and click on the one that directly takes you to Adobe's official website. You can usually identify it as the top search result. This is to ensure that you're getting the software from a legitimate source, helping you avoid any potential issues with unauthorized versions. After clicking on the link, you'll be directed to the main Adobe Acrobat Reader page. Here, you'll likely see various sections showcasing some of the features Adobe offers alongside their other products. But for today, our focus is entirely on downloading the Adobe Acrobat Reader. You should look around for a button or link that stands out. Typically, it's highlighted to catch your eye, reading something like Download Adobe Acrobat Reader Free PDF Viewer. Once you've located this, go ahead and click on it. Upon clicking the download link, your browser will then direct you to another page specifically for the Acrobat Reader. At this point, it's common to see additional options or checkboxes suggesting additional software or tools Adobe or its partners might offer. If you're exclusively interested in the Acrobat Reader and nothing else, it's okay to uncheck these boxes before proceeding. It's a small step, but it can help prevent unnecessary software from being installed on your computer, keeping your system clean and efficient. Now you're ready for the final step. Find and click on the button labeled Download Acrobat Reader. Once you've done this, you'll typically see a prompt asking you to save the installation file. Choose a destination on your computer where you'd like this download to go. Many people simply go with the default Downloads folder. Saving it in a spot where you can easily locate it makes the next steps a breeze. Allow the file to download completely, and once it's finished, navigate to where you've saved it. Double-click the installation file to start the installation process. Follow the instructions provided in the installer, and in just a few moments, Adobe Acrobat Reader will be a new addition to your list of applications. And there you have it. You are now equipped to open, view, and interact with PDF documents using Adobe Acrobat Reader on your Windows computer. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Happy reading!